All right, y'all, listen, screw the countdown. Your boy's got to go take a dump. But here's what we're going to do, okay? I am trading. By the way, I'm not on camera today because I haven't slept for 2.5 days and I look like absolute shit. And I don't want to do that to you guys. So good morning to each and every one of you. I hope you are all happy, healthy, wealthy. Today is Thursday, October the 23rd, okay? I am long. If you saw me on... Wow, that's so funny. That's the very first thing that I just said with Randy in here. Listen. Yesterday on Twitter, I'm gonna say this real quick. We're not trading crypto today, okay? I'm not trading crypto, but yesterday on Twitter, we did post the long on Bitcoin. So if you're not following me on Twitter, go follow me on Twitter. Okay, I posted this here, right here. I posted the long, the exact setup, and then exactly what I said. Played out to a perfectly to a T, and now we're getting this current setup right now on Bitcoin. We're not talking about crypto. Okay, we're not talking about crypto today. We're trading ES and NQ. I'm live right now with Dak, with Jet. Kenny, I believe, is in there as well, although I don't think his mic is on. And Alex, okay? So we're streaming futures. We do have a bullish SMT right now between ES and NQ. I am looking along. I have not entered along yet. New York is open in 6 minutes, and I am going to I'm going to go do what I got to do. So I'll be back in a couple minutes. I'm going to unmute so that you guys can hear them. They're just chilling, man. We're going to chill today. We're trading ES, NQ. Don't really care about crypto. Not going to answer crypto questions. Respectfully, one love. But I will yeah. Let's see if we can get into some trades here. So, you know, meet the boys type shit. Grab a coffee. Let's see if we can rob the bank and get out. All right. So you guys are good to go. I'll be back in like 5. Yeah, I will be back in.
We are taking the high again.
On yeah. I don't know if we're gonna come back for that Asian low, by the way. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I'm pretty sure that when you have a bullish SMT like this. For the YouTube people, remember, I haven't really been trading. Well, not really. I haven't traded futures for more than like 1 week. But I'm pretty sure when you have a bullish SMT like this and you're looking along, you want to long the, I guess they call it index. You want to long the one that made the higher low. Like you would rather long ES than NQ in a situation like this.
The one that leads.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I'll be back in like 5. You guys do your thing. Dak, your screen is up.
Sure.
So. Oh wait, are you live or no?
No, I just opened it.
All right, I'll be back in like 3 minutes, 5 minutes.
All right. Alex, we could get a reaction off of this in the middle of the range too.
What the fuck?
What?
They kicked me out of trading view.
Oh yeah, it does that sometimes. Just tap reconnect again.
Oh really?
We're about to take the high here on ES.
Honestly, I hope we are dumping on open. And we get something good.
I want to return to zone on this because I don't like this up structure here in the 1 minute. It looks very
if
weird.
we take that would be good. Like we sweep all those lows.
You know what I want? I want this. We pop the high, break down, enter here, run into the Asian low, and then pop back up. We're about to get some volume soon.
Yeah.
We could just go straight up to the high from here, I guess.
You could
go straight for the high and make a PO3 up here. This is easily shortable down to this. Or we could just surround the rest of the highs. I don't know.
If that happens, it's not going to be anytime soon though. It's gonna take an hour or 2.
Yeah. We have liquidity, hella liquidity on both sides. That's the bad part here.
We tapped
Okay.
supply.
We tapped both supplies. We're breaking through them, actually. Not
2
really
more
giving any
minutes.
reaction.
Yeah, but we are going up before New York Open. This seems like,
Yeah. Manipulation.
yeah.
They always do this shit. These highs here aren't necessarily that bad because they distributed and I had a normal breakdown and retest. These highs are not bad either here. This was another model 2 with a retest. So I think
All right.
to break these be more difficult than to break this.
So is anyone in a position right now?
Nope.
Not yet.
And Alex, you're watching gold.
I have alert set, but I'm not watching it actively.
Okay. Yeah, I think
I'm not
we
even
missed the
watching it
low.
until it takes
I
high.
think we missed the low. That's okay. We can follow it up. I'm looking along ES.
We are gonna get some volume right now.
We are getting some volume right now.
Hopefully we can get a push down here so we can hit long. I want to reject off of this. We're in a 5-minute supply zone right now, but we're coming in hot on ES. ES is the one I'm looking along for sure over NASDAQ, but I might take NAS if ES just kind of goes. Yeah, ES is breaking that supply. NASDAQ is going to hit its supply here soon. The same time ES sweeps out these internal highs. It's going to be the same time. We need to push down. I'm looking to get involved here. We'll see. Yeah,
Nothing
same
yet.
time, same time. So ES is leading for sure.
Nasdaq might be the short if we're looking for shorts. I'm looking for shorts if we get a reaction of the highs here in Asia and London.
Yeah, we'll see.
Could potentially short it down to this. That might have been it.
I don't think so.
On dominance. Take a shot.
We have a 1-minute sweep of the highs. Nasdaq is
Well, we're
dumping
getting
fast.
manipulation.
Yeah.
Let me get my top step open. What's up,
Okay.
Raven? I don't know, man. I think I want to go long.
I'm not touching longs unless we
I think I want to
Or
go
it-
long. I think we can
reach
come up
this
and sweep
point
those
here.
highs. I want to go long. That might have been it. But like, what's your risk to reward? Like, where you're really gonna long it to? That's the problem. I want a long ES.
From here, you can't really long it here right now.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
riskier
Yeah.
because the manipulation probably not done yet. It's like 432 for me. It's pre-market still. It's not. I mean, it's open, but it's usually 30 minutes after. Right now, we're in the kill zone. Oh shit! I just removed it. Thank you.
Solana's really moving.
Is it pumping?
I mean, not really moving.
I was
but you know
long
what I
on
mean.
Sol and I closed it. Why is
It's
this
doing better than everyone else.
Why is this taking so long to fucking? I think we pumped, man. I think we pumped
Thank you.
today.
Reacting of supply here.
I think crypto pumps today. I think ES and NQ pumped today.
Thank you. ES is going for the highs here, or Asia, London.
Yeah, that's what I wanted so long.
Oh,
Man,
there it
that
goes.
back test was so shallow though, and it happened so fast. Alright, let's follow this bitch up.
Solana's going up, straight up.
Yeah, I shouldn't have closed it. I goofed. It's okay. I'm still long, so it's fine.
I mean, I'm fine with not taking another position. We had a good long earlier.
Bro, I'm still down on my eval on Top Step. I'm down 1.3k, 1.2k.
You're good. Around the 150.
Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I need to see like
Dominance is taking a shit too.
Okay,
I
we'll
said
have a
it would.
5 minute. We have a 5 minute candle close beneath the high. If the retest happens, it's gonna happen now. I think.
man, yesterday was the weirdest like crypto day. Today, like yesterday the best trade I had was on ES that long. Crypto was like in shambles yesterday. I don't know.
It's not really giving anything.
Yeah. Gonna go for the high, man.
Mm.
It's gonna go for the high. This is an easy long. This is an easy long. I think ES is actually gonna go to 67.80.
Yeah, that's a New York high from
This
yesterday.
is super easy long.
But I don't want it to go straight up. I want a retest.
Here's the idea though. So if you can still see my screen, here's the idea, right? So remember, you had this was your manipulation. This is your SMT. You have up, you have down, you have up, and then it's hard to see, but this is an up down. Like this. So okay, we're obviously we have our range based demand, right? That's your range based demand. This candle right here just mitigated that. And this is looks bullish to me. So that mitigation might have been it. Right? So then this is your next range based demand. Like I imagine this low is safe, but we'll see. This is like 10 second time frame trading right now. Like this is super fast, you know?
Mm-hmm.
We'll see,
Yes.
though.
I'm only on the 1 minute. I can't go lower on trading you
Oh, word. Yeah.
on my own thing.
I just saw it on the wick. Like as that wick came down in real time, and then it reacted like that. I'm like, dude, this is like, you're not even testing. Like you're testing the top 10% of the previous demand range, and that's it. You know, your manipulation. At least to me, you guys do this more than I do. Like you tell me if you think differently, but it looks to me like that was the manipulation. It happened pre-New York. What's chat saying? What platform do I use? I'm using Top Step right now. I'm not funded yet. I only started trading futures last week, and I'm in drawdown actually. Good morning, Karin. ES Wick the VWAPs. Man, did anybody get long there?
Alex has the VWAPs. Maybe he can tell us.
Did anybody long this though?
We long the initial up move. This
I
one.
wouldn't just long like that, man.
Word.
Like we had a good long earlier, and we made money. We wouldn't give the money back.
Oh
We just
yeah,
made
for sure.
on a gamble like that. That's why we didn't even enter on the retest. When you get that close to Asia low, you can easily just sweep it.
For sure.
So why would we risk that? Instead, we can wait 1 hour before, like after the New York opens, and we can get a trade in like 30 minutes.
Yeah,
and
you'll get
it's
a
gonna be the
better
same thing.
you'll get a better risk to reward, and it's safer anyway. 100%.
Yeah, exactly.
100%.
Okay, we're gonna sweep Asia and London highs for
Like
sure.
I don't care if I'm long or short. I got one good trade earlier. Like I'm waiting for a good one now. I'm not rushing to be in a
Dude,
trade.
100%. Rob the bank, you know? Get in, get out type shit. Do I trade gold? I don't trade gold. Give you a guest pass to the Nexus and you'll teach us the VWAPs. The Bitcoin long is going well. Let's see what happens here.
I kind of want this. I'm not gonna lie. This would be a pretty decent scalp short right here. To run it down to this. And I'm only looking for shorts on this high because the app structure is so low time frame it looks bad.
Yeah.
Like this is the first proper 1 minute like higher low we're making. If we
No,
make it
but
even.
do you see what's happening right now? We are going to take London high on ES, and NQ
Yeah.
is still far away. We are going to have bearish SMT just
Yeah.
the way we had before.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Same way we just had a bullish SMT, you're going to have a bearish one. Well, if you flip the structure. I mean, I don't know how these guys do it. Like for me, the way that I would confirm the SMT is by getting that structure flip. And I've traded 2 SMTs and I'm 2 for 2 on them. Like I would need to see some kind of confirmation to assume that the SMT is gonna hold, because I've seen it before. Actually, one of my losses was I'm like, oh, we have an SMT, let me try it, and then it ended up being not an SMT in the end.
Yeah. Come on, let's sweep and make like a PO3 or something here. That would be
Yeah, it's
fire.
gonna be interesting to see what happens on this high.
If we come close or make a sweep here and we make like a 1 minute, 2 minute supply, I'm gonna try a short.
I want to rock right now.
The only problem with that short would be that there's another demand, another supply zone right above. That's the only problem. That's why we're waiting.
Wow. Look at this dump on crypto. Wow.
If we induce the Asia and London high, that's gonna be so trippy. I wanna take it.
I kind of want a long Bitcoin.
I'm looking at it
Did
too.
you close your
honestly.
long?
No, I'm still in it, but I want to add to it. I think this is an important box that we're in right now. We'll see what happens here. Actually, this is what's important right there. Not this line anymore. Yeah, I do want to long it. This box should hold. If Bitcoin is meant to be bullish, this box should hold. To lose a box is not good. Isn't Trump talking like today or now or something?
In like 5 hours.
He's talking in like 3 hours something, I think.
Okay. I think if ES closes above that high, which it's about to hit, and then NQ catches up and takes that high, so it invalidates the bearish SMT, we can get an easy backtest long. Easy. Like super easy.
Interstellar.
Yeah,
Great song, honestly.
100%.
Masterpiece. We
Okay,
take the
ES
high.
just took the high. Now we need NQ to play catch. I prefer longs, man. I feel like today's a bullish day. But we'll see. Of course, we'll short it if we see something.
There it goes. Jesus.
Yeah. I actually did take the long.
Whoop. Imagine if we held that back.
Yeah, I
you'd be
think.
big right now.
Yeah, but here's the thing. Even if we move to break even like we did
Yeah, it would be stopped
originally, and we
anyway.
just left it there, we'd have gotten stopped anyway. So it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I just took out
Our
30%.
trade was good.
I went in only one contract. Well, 10
Can't-
micros. So
On what?
Cannot be mad.
I just took profit. My stops. I'm just trailing the stop now, and we'll get back in. But this is, like I said, we're about to invalidate that SMT. If NQ touches that high, I'm looking for longs.
Yeah,
See?
but where are you longing? We only have green candles.
No, you can't long now.
Yeah, we need like a pretty good retracement. By the way, don't forget, like we just opened. We still have like 15 minutes
Yeah.
to get like the initial balance.
That high is about to go. NQ is about to take the high.
Jet hit full TP on his long.
I'm half out, and I'm trailing the stop.
If you're gonna keep the long, I think you shouldn't break the order block on the 1 minute. That's right below us. Because that's an order block with a fair value gap on the 1 minute. If that gets invalidated, it's probably gonna head down lower.
What's my
It's
opinion
about
about
me.
Monday range?
Right.
Let me mute myself so that I can explain it. Okay, so Monday range. Basically, if you have Monday's high and you have Monday's low, right? And you come in, here's your Monday's high, here's your Monday's low, and then you're in your range. When you deviate one side and then you come back in, you can now target Monday's low and vice versa. Okay? So when you usually one, if not both of these will get taken again throughout the week. It's very rare where you have a Monday's high, Monday's low, and then the rest of the week you do this. That would be like an inside bar week. It's relatively rare when that happens. You can usually use these as deviation zones. Okay? I wouldn't use it as necessarily, resistance and support. I don't even use those words. I use supply and demand. But ultimately, you can use them to as deviation, as like a reference point to where you can target based on deviations. And it doesn't even need to be like an SFP type thing, right? So if this is your Monday's high, that's your Monday's low. And then like throughout, let's say Tuesday, you're up here. And then now Wednesday, you're back down here. Well, now you can start targeting this low again, right? It's not like an SFP necessarily. So it's just like you know, a reference point. Basically, that's how I use my Monday high and Monday low. And I don't even use it that often. Like, it's good when you have, for example, semi-equal lows. Like, let's say this is my Monday's low, then it's more likely that then both these lows are going to go because you have semi-equal lows here, right?
And still, we have a lot of time to find one more trade.
Dude, New York literally just opened. We have all day, but
Yeah.
we have all day long. All night long. All night. But I do think that ES is coming to 67.80. So, yeah, like that's a pretty expansive move to the upside. I should have went in more, man. I need to start going in more. Dude, look at that SMT. It's so beautiful. I'm surprised that... How much is... NAS is up 0.7. NAS is actually moving faster than ES now. Alright, that high is... the bearish SMT is invalidated. NASDAQ just took the high.
I'm gonna get a 2-minute demand made in 10 minutes.
You mean 2 hour?
Yeah. So if we get when we get the retrace back down to there.
Honestly though, Dak, like if you go back to the 2 hour, like go to your 2 hour.
Yeah.
You have two 2 hour blocks there. See?
Oh, this?
No, like go, like you have two down candles in a row, right? Look at your 2 down candles.
Yeah.
So you could even extend your red box up to that second one.
This?
Yeah. And actually you have 3. So this whole demand range, like it doesn't need to hit your 2 hour one.
Yeah.
And remember, like characteristics are important. So what just happened, and I know this is a small time frame, but what just happened, if you could see my screen, what just happened on ES, like or on NQ, I don't remember which one it was, but was it NQ that I was saying, the 15-second structure? It might have been ES. I know it's 15-second structure, but it came down, it just ever so slightly tapped that demand range and it popped off. It literally bounced off of the tippy top of it, right? So
yeah,
we have to be aware that at least it's doing that right now. But we'll see. We'll wait for confirmations and such, obviously. I kind of like, I like this zone. I like the top. If it's going to be bullish, I don't want it to come back down to that lower 2 hour block. It might not even come back. Shit, bro. It's just not even stopping.
It's gonna make a 4. Oh shit! It's gonna make a 4 hour. Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a big one.
Damn, this is a good
Oh,
long.
you can't long this shit. As soon as it taps back in, you can't really long
The
it.
only reason I longed it is because of the SMT. And I saw the 15-second structure. That's the only reason I longed it. And I only went in one contract, so it's not even that big of a deal.
Wait, you were in 1 mini or 1?
No, I went in.
micro?
I went in 10 micros.
Ah.
And I'm out 5 now, and I'm just trailing the last 5. So like to me, so this is what I'm saying. So this is my 3rd trade now that it worked with SMTs, right? But the only reason I trusted it is because we had the market structure flip, right? It's like my same SFP rules. In order to confirm the SFP, I need to get a market structure flip. In order to confirm the SMT, I need to get a market structure flip. And because we had that actually on both ES and NQ, right? I'm like thinking, well, why would they come back for that low if that was your trap? Powerful shit, man. Powerful shit. Guys, hit the like button. If we can get to 100 likes, I will be doing a giveaway to the Nexus. So let's get the likes up. A little bit of a different stream today. We're streaming futures, but we're going to be, you know, as I mentioned, we've transitioned into a trading channel. So we are trading futures. We are trading crypto as well. But today is a futures stream. And we're here with Dak.
All right.
Alex.
Let's see if we
and
can get
Jab.
something here.
Is Jet working right now?
Okay. Yeah.
Yo, good morning.
And Kenny. What's up, Kenny? Okay, we're looking all right here on everything. So this block, by the way, I know we're not talking really Bitcoin, but I did add to my long there on Bitcoin. Yeah, you know what? This is going straight for 6. Oh wait, actually no, hold on. I haven't updated this.
I want to scale in. I don't want to start scaling
Shorts?
in.
Shorts?
Yeah. I'm just waiting to see like how it reacts off of this 2-minute block that we just made. Because it could just blow through.
Are we in a 2-minute
It's
block?
not important. Yeah. We're at the 50%
I
of
see
it
what
now.
you're saying. I don't know, bro. There's a liquidity curve there. That's kind of risky in my opinion, but I mean, you do what you're gonna do. You know futures best. Don't let me tell you. You know it better than I do. So
I'm waiting just because it just went straight up. I don't want to get stopped out immediately.
yeah, it's a very aggressive entry for sure. Okay.
Yeah, like see here, we're starting to flip supply into demand again, which I do not want for this position if I'm gonna
Let me like
take it.
So this was hit. Here's the thing. We had a distribution on the highs. Man, I'm surprised that like we're even back up here after that big sell-off on that Friday. Like that's ES is relentless, man.
Yeah. Okay. It's not looking too bad so far. It's kind of stalling here.
This market is so relentless. I
We
think
have the mid-time frame supply, and if we keep making some zones here, I think we can get an entry.
if we sweep 67.89, there's a good short there. Well, I don't know, man. This is like
I don't want to get married to that high just because we've already swept one of the important highs. We swept 2 sessions worth of highs,
yeah.
and if we're gonna go up there, then we're probably just gonna go to all-time high. So like it's either here or we're going all-time high, I think.
Bitcoin has a
Okay.
Model 1 distribution here.
I'm gonna start scaling a short here. If we get the retest on the 2-minute, I'm gonna scale 5 cons for the first
That's
one.
what I was looking. Yeah, Nasdaq just hit supply also.
Oh, Nasdaq might be the play actually. Let's see. Yeah, Nasdaq might be the better play here. instead of ES.
Let's see. I'm about to get taken out.
Are you shorting this dark?
I'm looking to short it, yeah. Just hoping it doesn't start running before I do.
I think we have
Where do you
time.
want to get it?
I think we have time.
I want to get in right here, actually. I think I'm gonna scale in one here, just because of the fair value gap. And if we hit the order block up here, I'm gonna short one more and exit if we get above the highs. I'm getting a nice pointer. Hopefully. Okay. I scaled in one more. I'm done for here. From here. If we go up, we go up. New York is open now.
Are you in minis?
Micro.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Man, they're so stupid with the naming.
Yeah. Okay, I want to see it. I want to see it start pushing down aggressively now. Make another zone here. If we can. Yeah. That's nice. All right.
In the meantime, what do we got here? This shit
We
is-
also made 1 minute supply.
Wait, what?
We made 1 minute supply.
Oh, yeah, I know.
we got bearish OI here on Bitcoin. We might have to short this bitch. Did I get
Okay,
taken
just
out?
put a hard stop. I absolutely do not want to take the high again. For no reason whatsoever. So,
That was a crazy entry.
if this hits, it hits. We can target all of this up move.
Oh yeah, now if this
Okay.
happens, if we're rejecting from here, you can target those lows, the Asia lows that you wanted.
Yeah. By 2 here. Oh my god, yeah, this is looking so nice so far. Look at these 5-minute candles. We get a close beneath the previous one. Bearish. Oh baby. Oh baby, that's gonna be so fucking good.
We'll see. I'm not taking this. It's too aggressive for me.
We did break structure on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have demand right beneath you, and you have your 5-minute fair value gap.
The question here is ES, not NQ. NQ will just follow ES.
So I'm about to get taken out of my ES, and I'll take home $600 from that. So I'm cool with it.
Nice. That's good.
Holy smokes. Look at NQ, bro. That NQ moved way more than ES.
NQ always moves more, bro.
It's because NQ is 4 digits.
No,
Yep.
but percentage wise, it moved more.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's why, because it's 4 digits.
No, I mean, look at gold. Gold moves like whole ass percent in every move, and it's $2,000 cheaper than ES. You know,
You're shorting BTC? Yeah, there might be a
we're
short
in
here.
2 minute supply also.
There might
Come
be
on,
a
baby,
short.
let's move it out of here. Let's go. Stop hanging out up here. We don't want that.
Yesterday I was jamming the car during the pump. Nice, man. Yeah, we finally got the pump. If you guys followed me on X, you would have seen the long. I basically not basically. I did hand it out for free. So go follow me on X if you're not already,
God damn.
because it's right here for you. I gave it right here. Gave you the exact long. Gave you the exact long. Yeah, this is pretty volatile. It's just choppy. Like, it's choppy. Look at Bitcoin, so choppy. And yeah, no, I don't know. And no, I'm not trading crypto today. Today we're doing ESNQ.
All right. Come on, aggressive move, not chop. Oh, ES swept the 1 minute lows.
I
That's not
think
good.
today is better to wait until like maybe lunchtime. Things are just so, it's so choppy, but it's not just like slow chop. It's like aggressive, rigid chop. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
It's like you might have the right idea and you might get stopped
especially
out.
crypto.
Yeah, man. Like you might get stopped out like 15 times before you hit the right idea. Or like before, like just because of the chop. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
if you want to do a loose stop and shit, I mean, you know, knock yourself out. But I don't trade that way. So you might actually get stopped out like fucking 8 times before you hit it. That's why I'm not trading crypto right now, by the way. For anyone
Come on,
wondering.
Dak, we're balling. Come on. If this keeps
Yeah,
going
we're
down
balling,
now,
but we need to keep balling, bro. I don't want it to retrace.
nah, it's good. I think it's safe. And I'm gonna move my stop. I can de-risk this. It's easy.
I mean, there's no point in moving my stop. It's already like above supply. I'm gonna move my stop if we start moving down towards here. Yeah, for sure. These 5 minute closes are not bad at all.
Yeah, yeah. Nasdaq is looking good now.
We need to see how it reacts to this fair value gap, though.
Bitcoin
If
is
we get a
nuking
good
now.
reaction of the fair value gap, I'm gonna exit
Bitcoin is nuking.
in whatever I have.
Oh, we're getting, it's getting gross. It's getting gross.
Holy!
Yeah, there's your dump.
Bitcoin giving the short signal for
Bitcoin,
ES and
Bitcoin
NQ.
is nuking. Yeah. Bitcoin is nuking.
Okay, we're about to make 10 minute supply in 2 minutes on NASI.
This,
If
yeah, we
we
might really just
inverse
sell.
the 10-minute, then that's like crazy bearish.
Even the 5. I mean, you don't really have to inverse the 10 minute. If the 5 inverses, it's
The
might
5
be
looks
ups.
good as well, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't even see it.
Look at that, man. Look at
think I
that
can move my-
reaction. Look at that reaction. This
a little
might,
bit lower.
I don't know how low this will
This
take
might
you.
hit full TP. This might hit full TP. And the only reason I'm saying full TP on Nasdaq is because Nasdaq had a Model 2, didn't strip the lows. again. While ES, ES I think did. Yeah. ES had a model 1 here at the low, even though it didn't take the Asian low.
Man, this thing is so choppy.
Bitcoin?
Everything.
Oh.
It's so choppy.
Come on, come
but
on.
yeah, primarily
I'm on
Bitcoin.
I don't know, bro. I'm not even looking at it. Like, I'm in the trade from the very low. My stop is in break even, and like, I'm not even looking.
Yeah.
It's not like I can even short it here or anything. It either goes up to the high or we go low.
Yeah.
Like, my best bet is just to hold it.
Super,
You guys talking about Bitcoin?
Yeah.
super choppy, man. Super choppy. All of it. You know. Mad chop here.
Okay. I want a bearish 5-minute close beneath this candle.
If we can get above this high on Bitcoin, this VWAP, I'm gonna long it. We get above. I'm gonna long it. But that's a big if. If we don't get above the VWAP, then there's no long. And we have bearish open interest right now. Yeah, this could nuke, man.
Okay, we're testing 2-minute demand here on Nasdaq. 2-minute demand, 5-minute fair value gap. If this fails, we are good. I'm locking in at break even. I could lock in break even here since we made another 1-minute supply. Yeah, actually, I think I will. I think I will move it like right above this high for now, just because 5-minute fair value gap hasn't inversed yet.
Yo, we're up
That's
right
where
now.
I had my stop before.
We're up right now on NQ.
What do you mean you're up?
On
Did
the
you short it as well?
Yeah, I shorted too.
Oh, nice.
And I just got stopped out of my ES long.
What's your entry? Did you show it?
If we got
No,
if we got the top here, that's gonna be so nice.
I don't show it. These guys just have to take my word for it. I mean, I'm telling everybody I'm
No, I meant on the chart, like on TradingView.
Oh, no. But right now we're in demand right now. Like if ES is going to bounce, it's going to bounce from here.
Here, yeah.
And it's coming in hot.
And it
so
doesn't
it's
look
probably,
like it will.
yeah. If it's going to bounce, it's going to bounce from here. And if it's not, which it looks like it's not, you know, this thing still might nuke. But we do have a boss, man. We do have a break of structure. So, you know, maybe we go for Asia lows. I don't know. You know, it's a very we're at a very interesting time right now, I think. You know, even Bitcoin, like here,
I moved my stop loss.
we're at a super interesting
I don't like this reaction,
moment.
so I'm just gonna secure the 0 profit.
Yeah, I'm already like break even on my trade because I'm also kind of watching Bitcoin in the corner of my eye. So
Just tested 1 minute
I
supply.
kind of want to long. I kind of want to long. Not ES or NQ Bitcoin. I kind of want to long it. Kind of want.
If 1 minute fails, I'm out. But we are testing
What are
the
you
10
guys
minute
saying?
though, so
109.9 is not a key level to buy. It's a key level to short. Yeah, but if you see signs of supply failure, then you can long into resistance. And right now demand is holding, right? Demand is holding.
yeah.
So I'm just saying, like, don't get too. For me, For the Bitcoin people, the crypto people, this is what I'm looking for. If you start to lose, 108-ish, then I'll look for a back test short. Until then, I have to assume that this box is going to hold. As long as we're in this box, I'm looking for longs. If we lose the box, I'll look for
I'm
shorts.
hovering. I'm hovering the close button.
Is it bouncing?
We wicked out supply, so I'm just waiting. If we get a close above supply, I'm
Oh,
out.
okay, I see. Man, crypto's so fucking weak, though. Like, crypto is so weak. Bitcoin is so weak right now. Really, really
Yeah, I'm
weak.
out.
Really weak.
It's fine.
Oh, you're out of NQ?
Yeah, I don't want to risk. I don't want to risk more. I'm fine. I have a good day today, so I'm gonna just stay. I'm just gonna book my profits and bounce. I don't need
Yeah.
more.
Well, I had shorted Bitcoin and, that's up. So it's not a bad day. I am going to take some out, though, here.
Okay, I'll be back in like 5 minutes.
All right. Yeah, so that didn't hold clearly. Let's see here. USDT hit demand on the daily. Yeah, this is our make or break zone. Right? That is our make or break. And we just swept out this high. So this is very important. Very important level right now. Very important zone here. Very important zone here. If this rejects, if this SFP is here, this could give you full rotation back down to these lows, and take you down to here. So very interesting. We're at a very pivotal moment right now. Extremely pivotal moment. Super pivotal moment. I wouldn't get too bearish yet. You guys, like, you do you, but I wouldn't get too bearish yet. Bro, I already booked 50% of my short and my stops at break even. I just made a quick 500 bucks. Like, who are you lolling? How are we looking here? ES is nuking. Okay. Let's see what happens here. Let's see how she goes here. Very important zone. Did I say that I think that it's bullish? Did I say that? Did I say that? I said I wouldn't get too bearish here yet. What did I just say? I said if you lose this low, I will look for backtest shorts. Otherwise, this low may hold. Right? I need you to tell me right. Reply right. I need to know that you understand. That you understand, like, how stupid you sound. I need acknowledgement. I need you to reply right. So let me know when we start using our brain cells this morning. Let me know. I shorted here and I took profit here. Okay. Yeah, man, this PA is super grim. Bro, you gotta ignore the idiots. I mean, I'm chilling, dude. I'm chilling. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. Imagine paying $100 a month just to get called stupid by the owner. Well, that guy's not in the Nexus. He wouldn't be asking stupid questions like that or leaving stupid comments if he was. That guy's not one of my guys. I'll tell you that. And please don't join the Nexus. I don't want you. All right. If we deviate this low, I will look to long. Come down, we deviate the low, and we get a structure flip. I'll look to long it. Shorts are paying. You're right. They are paying. I'm in it. I'm in the short.
Yo, Dak, are you still on short, Dak?
Dak.
We are nuking.
Dak left. Or are you calling him?
Yeah, I didn't know he left. My bad.
Yeah. He's out. He's out of it. Are you still in yours?
Yeah. Are you holding ES?
ES, I got stopped out on the long after like $600 profit, and I'm still in NQ.
Yeah, me too.
But I'm looking at long Bitcoin here. I'm looking along it. I actually kind of want to. We'll see. If we deviate the low, I'll look to long. A little bit early though. Yeah, I kind of want to. We'll see. So we have to lose the low. If we lose the low and we get a structure flip, which is probably unlikely, then I will get involved. Otherwise, I am in the short. I'm in a short. My stop's at break even. So I'm not allowed to join the best trading server. Aria, you can join. You may join. You being here talking like this is making you look like an idiot. Yeah. Anyway, whatever. People are ignorant. People don't want help, you know? It's fine. He doesn't want help, that's fine. Okay, we do got bullish OI here. We have bullish OI. I don't love it. We do have supply right over here on Biddy. Let's check here. ES is bouncing off. Man, you see what oh, dude. Alex, bro. Remember when I drew that and I said, yo, that 2-hour block? I'm like, you might get a fast-ass reaction out of there. That's exactly what's happening right now. That is exactly what's happening. That's exactly what's happening. I knew it, man. The characteristics right now of ES is like they're just bouncing off the tippy top. Is NASDAQ bouncing back? No, NASDAQ is still chilling.
X.
I mean, my stop is in profit, so I'm chilling. Whatever happens, happens.
Oh, yeah, for sure. For sure. Let's see. If we get above this supply, zone right now, we're coming up. I think we're coming up to 110. 110. If you can get above here, I think we're going to 110. Right there. Get above there. In my opinion, we're coming up to here. Let's see.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, you just broke that supply. I think we're going up. And I'm about to get stopped out at break even. After taking profit. Of course. Rocky, man. Rocky morning. I'm telling you guys. Telling you guys. Telling you. Super rocky. Super rocky. Longs are coming in though. Do I find trading futures is easier than crypto? Look at that, man. Look at that. This is cooked. I think we're going up. Bitcoin's going to crypto's going to go up here. I think. You came up, you swept the high, you have a market structure flip on the high, which means we're targeting this low, and you have nothing but liquidity now. So you're probably coming down to here. We're probably going to pump. My guess is we're going to pump. Bitcoin will be pump, pump. Bitcoin will be pump. Bitcoin will be pump, pump. That is my guess. Yeah, it depends, man. Like yesterday, crypto was super grim, but we had a very easy long on ES. Very easy long on ES yesterday. So yesterday, ES was way easier. Like futures were way easier than crypto yesterday. Way easier. I need to change this because I'm probably going to get copyrighted for all of these songs. Yeah, I keep turning this copyright shit on. I think this low is safe. I think that guy's safe. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. All right, well, how many likes are we at? 47 likes, 138 people. Sucks. Remember what happened when the gaze thing happened and it did the Yeah, dude, that's what I'm saying. Yesterday we had the best long ever. We had the absolute best long. Listen, what time is it? How long have we been live for now? I'm not gonna be streaming. I might stream tomorrow. I might not stream tomorrow though. We'll see. Listen, we've been on for 1 hour. Yeah, man. USDT is absolutely the king, bro. USDT is the king. And look, here's what I'm gonna say. Like, whenever you don't have clarity onto what's going on in the market, just look at USDT dominance, right? So, like, first of all, now just to show you guys, you actually have an SMT between Bitcoin and you have an SMT between Bitcoin and USDT on that low, okay? And you have bullish absorption on this low. Number one, okay? Obviously, nothing ever is 100% in trading. So that's something to take note of. But those are the facts currently as they stand into demand, right? You are in demand and you are in my nexus zone. So I'm looking already for this zone to hold, right? Remember what I said this morning. Remember what I said earlier when that guy was making those very idiotic comments, right? For me to get truly bearish, we need to lose this and then I'll backtest this and I'll look to short that, right? That to me is showing signs that you're probably going to come on and take out yesterday's lows, right? PD low. But before that happens, there's no reason to like, until this breaks, there's no reason to get aggressively bearish. Like you can't, in my opinion, you can't really short here and target this low yet because this is demand and you can see very clearly that demand is trying to hold here. So if you lose that demand, now you can short the supply that's created as a result of that demand failure. Right? But until that happens, this could just come up. We never hit the supply up here. So you're just trading a range. This is a range. Look, let me draw the range out so you guys can see. I'll make the range blue. That's the range. Why would you short the bottom of the range? That makes no sense. Why would you short the bottom of the range? Right? So that's kind of like the way that I'm interpreting it. And because we never came to here, because we never hit this, right? Any longs, you could target this. Plus, you have this. Look at this buy side liquidity being generated to the upside. Right? So I will ignore the buy side once we lose this low. If we lose that low, we can look for backtest shorts. Otherwise, I'm looking to play the range. So up here, I'll look for shorts. But I wouldn't short now. You're at the lows and you're in demand. That makes no sense. Could it work? Yes. Is it objectively a good trade? No. What do I use for my ranges? I use this tool. Where's the tool? I don't know what it's called. Here, parallel channel. I use this. I use parallel channel. I'm focusing on minor structure only. Bro, listen to me. Listen to me. I promise you that I understand structure better than you do. Okay? I promise you. I know what my structure is. You think I don't know this? You think I don't know this? You think I don't know that? And just so that you understand like how on the same side we are. Okay? You don't realize it clearly. Nobody wants this shit to go to zero more than I do. Nobody. I promise you that. Okay? I promise you nobody on this planet wants Bitcoin to go to zero more than me. But we can't be... You have to be objective. And you have to be objective. Listen, I learned my lesson not being objective. Listen, you say it'll never happen. Maybe not. Maybe it does. I don't know. Okay? My point though, like if you want me to be happy with Bitcoin, I've been unhappy about Bitcoin since 30K. When Bitcoin goes back to 31K, me and Bitcoin can be homies. Because I think it should be valued at 30K. That's my opinion. It doesn't matter my opinion though. But my point though is while you're coming at me and you're making these comments to me, right? Like you don't really understand that we're on the same side here, right? You have to be objective. You objectively, this is not a good short. Under 100K easily can happen. Not only can under 100K easily happen, I would say it's almost certain to happen. I think you are in absolute la-la land if you think that it will not happen. You think it should be valued a box of Cracker Jacks? That's a little... Man, listen. Here's... whatever. You guys know what I'm going to say, man. Why do I want it to go to 0? I don't actually want it to go to 0. But I want it to go to 30K. Because I think it should be valued at 30K. And even 30K is a lot. Like, do you guys know how much $30,000 is? I don't think we go lower yet, but I think it's funny when we keep hearing people say it'll never go under 100K again. Dude, I will bet my entire life that it will go below 100K again. My chart is so clear. Listen, I'm telling you guys, once you change to white, I will never go back, ever. I will never, ever, ever go back. The white is so clean, man. Look at how easily I presented this to you guys. By the way, link in the description down below for x.com. I gave you guys this long. Look what I said. Bitcoin has been stuck in the most unforgiving range today, but amidst the chop, we swept out London's lows and flipped low time structure bullishly. Only one supply zone around 107K, which is right over here. Okay, right here. Only one supply zone remains before we move to New York's high, which obviously happened. If we break it, I will try it along the flip zone. Keyword if. Next post, right here. You had your flip zone right here. Exactly what I drew. This was the supply. We broke the supply. Here's your demand. Here's your market structure flip. Long you go. Up. Bang. Perfectly long overnight. Slept like a baby. So go follow me on X because I make these posts from time to time. And the more you engage with me, the more I'll do them because these are Nexus stuff. Nexus already knew this. Okay, the Nexus already knew this from yesterday. Look at this picture I made. Rip. Should have been following Geo and the Nexus. Believe me, like I said, there's nobody in this world that wants it to dump more than me, but we have to be objective.
All right, guys. Now that we're starting to move a little bit, let's talk. I'm only looking at Bitcoin right now and USDT. USDT hit that higher supply zone, starting to flip structure. Bitcoin literally has one last supply zone. So we longed here. I'm still in this long, by the way. I'm still in it. High risk to reward. 23 for 23. Shouts out LeBron. I like Kobe better. I'll post him when we get to 24 because you better believe we will. Here's the situation right now on Bitcoin. Guys, don't get too bearish here. Don't get too bearish here. We just hit the most important supply zone and you just flipped it with a comfort. Don't get too bearish here. This supply zone that we're approaching right now is the last supply zone, unless my eyes are broken, until where? New York high, right? The New York high was our make or break zone, right? Which sent us back down to the London low. Well, we just SFP'd that low and we're flipping structure. We only have one more supply zone in the way. Do you understand what I'm telling you? If this supply zone gets broken, sorry for spitting on you. If the supply zone gets broken, you are very likely going to rotate up to New York high at 109 whatever. Well, if this is your 109 whatever, and this is your make or break zone, and we've already established that if you get up to here, you're probably going to get higher lows or higher highs / reaccumulations in these zones. We'll address these zones when we get there. What does that tell you? That tells you that if we break above here, this supply zone turns into a flip zone, which means we can long now the demand that's resulted off of that flip zone. And if we're going to come back up for this high, if you don't SFP this high, you're going higher. You're just going to go higher. And what have we been talking about all week? 116K. Could this be a long to 116K? It makes sense for it to be, yeah. Am I saying it is going to go there? No. So now what if that doesn't happen? Well, obviously, if you sweep the low again, we're looking for longs. If you come down to this demand zone, we're looking for longs. And really, if you SFP this high, maybe we can try to short it down and watch the structure. But if you get above this high, you start closing above this high, you start closing above 107.7, I'm not even going to think about shorts until the New York high. I don't know why everybody's so bearish all the time lately. I don't know. I told you guys here, don't get too bearish. I told you guys here, don't get too bearish. This is not, in my opinion, you do what you want to do. This is not the time to be shorting. Sweep that high, hold this supply, even if you don't sweep the high, okay? If we hold this supply, if you see signs of this supply holding, then yes, we can short it. And you can probably short it down to 106, let's say, at the very least. You probably can. Of course, you have to de-risk on the low. But right now, looks like we're coming in hot. Looks like we're giving this a second chance. Remember, what's your expectation order flow? It's high, it's low. This is supposed to be lower, high, lower, low. Well, hello. This didn't make its lower, high, lower, low. It failed to do so, which means that's a flip zone if we get above it, right? If then scenarios. I just posted this on X. I would appreciate the love. Don't get too bearish here, guys. Don't get too bearish here. It's not the time. If this supply zone holds, sure, short it. I don't care. Go for it. If we get above here, don't get too bearish here, guys. I'm still long, by the way. Still long.
Okay. So yeah, you get those updates in real time all the time. I update all the time, letting everybody know. By the way, yesterday we hit a hold on. Where was it? I'm going to show you guys something. Where's my thing? Okay, look, nothing yet, whatever. Okay, now if it flips, I'm in. Right here, it's happening. 5:42 p.m. Okay? 5:42 p.m. Yesterday, Bitcoin, 5:42 p.m. Look, I'm going to show you guys. I don't play, man. I don't play. Look. 5:42 p.m. 5:42 is right there. That is where we longed. This is where we longed. Just to show you. This is where we longed. You see that long? That's this long right here. This long was my long. My first long yesterday. Right there. Told the Nexus. Right now, at current price. At current price, it is at 17 risk to reward. My target is 110.4. Okay? Just to tell you, I update this all the time, 24/7. Okay? All the time, 24/7. Hey, Drew, I won one of the giveaways. I've already secured next month of the Nexus, the long we made. Man, I appreciate that. Thank you for that feedback. It's good to know, man. It's good to know that you're getting a good ROI on your investment. So I really appreciate it. I'm glad that you made it back. Same as White Phoenix uses black up or black down, white up. Yeah, the white background is the best, man. Do I care about Bitcoin fundamentals? Not at all. I think everybody is out to lunch. I think that Bitcoin is not going to be the future, and I think that everyone is like, I think Bitcoin is a religion, basically. I think it's a religion. I don't listen. Once Bitcoin can survive recession, we'll talk. Until then, you're buying into like what everybody believes in. I could be wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. BTC is a trap because the origins of its creator are super shady, involving people like PayPal. Yeah. I think you're right. 116K or bust, then short. There is no evidence. You wouldn't be surprised if we sweep above 110.5. Is that my twin? At the end of the day, Bitcoin is still in a downtrend on major structure. Yeah, I mean, you're not like, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see that, right? Definitely not. But this is still a range. You're trading a range, right? So when you're at the lows of the range, you should be looking for longs, right? You see this tool here? When you're at the highs of the range, you should be looking for shorts. When you're at the lows of the range, you should be looking for longs, right? Just range rotation, that's all. I think that we're going to come up to 116. I think we're coming to this. Maybe we sweep this and then look what we have here. You see this position tool? See that? Now this is swing stuff. This is higher time frame stuff. But I think that we can go up to here and then we do that. Are we going to make it there? I have no idea. Too many people are calling 116. We're going to either blow through it or not get there. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I have other shorts along the way, right? Like, I'm going to just trade whatever I see per structure and whatnot. For sure. You know, but I haven't seen anybody call 116, by the way. Right? Me personally, I haven't seen anybody call for 116. This is the first time ever I feel like we are there's more bearish sentiment than bullish. So like, okay, in the past, right? Pre-capitulation, right? Pre-capitulation, everybody was talking about how everybody's bearish and right? But everybody lies to you, right? All the other creators, they lie to your face, right? It serves them well to shill the up-only nonsense. I've been bearish on alts for 2 years. Since the conception of my channel, I've been bearish on alts. And not one person in here can tell me that I've been wrong for that. Now, I've been absolutely blasted by you guys, but are you mad that I'm bearish or are you mad that I'm right? Right? So, that being said, you know, this is the first time truly, and again, I don't lie to you guys. This is the first time that I actually see people be more bearish than bullish. Sentiment is probably now, today, I would say maybe 65% on the bear side and 35% on the bull side. Now, before, it was always the other way. So anybody that was telling you prior that everybody's bearish, they're lying to you. It's Mickey Mouse, okay? There are demons in this shady space. They lie to you. All the big creators, they lie to you. This is the first time. And you guys know, man, I've made so much content about how I'm like, I don't know how everybody's is saying that everybody's bearish. All I see is that people are bullish, and all I see is that the bullish people are talking about how everybody else is bearish, but I'm not seeing any bears. Now is the first time people are more bearish than bullish. Now. And I don't fucking lie to you guys. I'd rather go broke and my bags go to zero before I lose your guys' money. This is the first time that people are more bearish than bullish. The first time in the entire bull run. Now. First time. I don't fucking lie to you. If I'm not into Bitcoin on the fundamentals, why am I so involved in the space? Dude, I'm trading. I'm not involved in the space. I don't give a fuck about crypto. I don't hold bags. I don't care about, you know, I don't care about the crypto space. I'm trading, right? It's trader geo. It's not crypto geo. Like, I don't give a fuck about crypto. I don't care. Hope we blast. Dude, I'm long and chill, man. Yeah, like, I'm trading, you know. I see so much bearishness in the past 3 days. Dude, yeah. Now people are bearish. Now people are bearish, right? Yap. Bro, honestly, like, you guys are there is a high chance Bitcoin top is in. Listen to me. Look, again, I don't lie to you guys. Let's be real. I've been saying this. There is no reason whatsoever for Bitcoin to come back to these highs. Okay? Zero reason. Zero reason. We have a Model 1 distribution that's been confirmed. However, we also have zero reason as of right now to come back for this low, in my opinion. So we're in a very interesting spot, right? They're not going to make it easy. Do I think that we're going to go back to all-time high? I have absolutely no idea. I really don't know. I truly do not know, right? Do I have a very strong case? And again, I don't lie to you guys. Do I have a very strong case, to suggest that the Bitcoin high is in for the cycle? Yes, I do. Okay? Yes, I do. There's zero reason to come back for this. Can they still come back for it? Yeah, of course. Right? But there's no reason, you know? You've been bearish for the last week and a half, still holding shorts from earlier this week. If you're in, man, then you're in, you know? Just pay yourself and move on. That's it. That's it. Studying USDT dominance completely changed trading for me. Things have gotten so much easier for the last 2 months thanks to your video, dude. I'm glad. You're welcome. To anybody that doesn't know what he's referencing, or she is referencing, I'm just going to show you. Listen, guys, I promise you I don't get any benefit from shilling this video to you. This is truly just me trying to help you. Okay? I do not get, you know, I get a little bit of ad spend. I can tell you how much money. I make like $100 on YouTube. Okay? I make like $100 on YouTube a month. So it's nothing. Okay? I have no, it serves me no purpose to shill this to you. But I'm going to tell you this and I'm not going to hiccup. This video is going to change your crypto trading forever. I promise you that. This is not like a Fibonacci tutorial or stupid shit that makes no fucking sense. I don't lie to you. Okay? This video is I'm saying without a hiccup, this is the best trading crypto video on YouTube. Up to you to go watch it or not. And I promise you by the end of this video, I promise you will at least double your trading. At least. And I'm not trying to be arrogant when I say it, but I have to like emphasize it. So go watch that video. Do not cast my pros before I swine. Let them turn around. Yeah. Bro, don't mind them. I don't know. I'm just like agitated, man. I'm very agitated right now. Like I haven't slept in like 2.5 days. I'm just like agitated. So to anyone that I'm kind of being a dick to, like, I mean, I apologize, but also you started it. How many months in the Nexus until you can pull off decent risk rewards? It's up to you, bro. It depends on how much you learn. Right? It depends on how fast you learn. I'll tell you this, like, you know, you have my guidance in there. Right? Like I said, like I showed on that video. You have my guidance. So like I'm telling you guys, you know, where to take profit. I'm telling you guys where I entered. Like I told you guys yesterday. I told them literally exactly where I entered. Okay, and by the way, on my super secret, top secret entry model, I am 23 for 23 win rate. 23 for 23. I have not lost the trade yet. And this was the long. This was the long right here. 22 risk reward. And I'm 23 for 23. Haven't lost one. So, yeah, it's going to take some time, brother. You know, you have to obviously dedicate yourself. But people learn at different paces, right? Okay. Gio, what do I think of the monthly, weekly bear div? I know you don't like divs, but I can't ignore the high time frames. You know what? This is what I think. If here's what I think, and this is my honest opinion, okay? So don't take this like I'm not trying to be rude when I say this. I think that if divergences worked, crypto would have been zero already. And you're saying, you know, you can't really ignore the high time frames. And yeah, you're not wrong, but like you're also kind of wrong. And all I need to do is resort back to the 3-day time frame, right? Like 3 days is a relatively big time frame. Okay. This is a relatively big time frame. Like, tell me this shit doesn't look like it's going to fucking zero. And then it goes ahead and pulls this shit off, right? So to answer your question, you know, what do I think about it? Like, yeah, I mean, maybe this time it'll work. Maybe. But if it's a maybe, why am I even looking at it? Which is why I don't look at it anymore. I don't care. I don't like trade like that anymore. I don't use the indicators for directional bias. It doesn't work. If it worked, we would all be millionaires. And we're not. Tell me I'm wrong. So, that's my honest opinion. Okay. Hater Thursday, yeah. We are different from investors and spot traders. He can get in and out. Yeah, man. Like, that's it. Like, like I said, I really don't care. I don't care about fundamentals. I don't care about what the price is doing. I literally don't care. Doesn't mean anything to me. I just don't have a like a Bitcoin boner or a crypto boner like everybody else does. You know? White Phoenix sent me a message. Yeah, thanks. I gotta check it. That's the literal one that sent you down the rabbit hole? What, the video? Yeah, man, I'm telling you, that video, there's so much power in this. There's so much power in this. And if you can show me somebody else on YouTube that's showing you this, bro, I promise you, if you go white, you'll never go black again. Definitely agree with me. Yeah, divergences get people more wrecked. 100%, dude. 100%. Hot take. Using MC with USDT Dominance tripled your win rate. Dude, I'm so happy to hear that. I'm so happy to hear that. Congrats, man. I'm very happy for you. Very happy for you. Anyways, if you guys can't tell by my, lack of energy, I haven't slept in 3 days. And yeah, I'm gonna go. I gotta go do the practicing the game stream. So I just did Nexus stream. We're doing this stream, and then I gotta go do practicing the game stream. If NQ closes below here and ES closes below here, I will short NQ, and I'll put my stop loss right there. Okay, not financial advice. All content presented is a complete joke, should not be taken seriously. Joe's an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4 want to be singing non-financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real, and the earth is flat. My friends, stay happy, stay healthy, stay wealthy. I may not stream tomorrow. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. No song today. Sorry, I got no energy, man. I gotta go sleep, bro. But I will just pass my 250K combines today. Shout out to the Nexus. Nice. Let's go, baby. Shout out to the Nexus. If you guys want to join the Nexus, link in the description down below. EnterTheNexus.com. Thank you guys for kicking it with me. We did not get to 100 likes, so no giveaway today. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe it's my fault because I'm low energy, but it is what it is. I'll see you guys later. One love. Set my heart on fire.